Boy Afe, watch his style. Freestyle video goes viral. Biggs, the new name from Mandeville. Just 18, but already counting his blessings.
Nah, man, alive. Sorry, man, sorry. Then them GV, Steely Y3. Girl, live a life with.
Mandeville teen drops viral video.
Yeah, people started away there.
Biggs 2 years out of high school.
I try to find the right part to go.
Music a hobby.
Like, you're there at one spot, and you make the whole spot happy. Music is a love, man.
But actively pursuing a footing in the food sector at the Heart Academy.
Level 3, where I go for my surfer ticket. They are pretty ton chef, because I don't know. We have to pretty big same, you know.
So in your spare time, what you do?
I chill with my friends. You know, sit down and try to write songs. Talk to my girl them, you know. Well, I'm a married man now, so I have to be able to try to talk to the girl them. You know, young people stuff. No, man.
Who you like to listen to or what kind of music you vibe to?
Honestly, I don't have no problem with no artist at all. Like, no artist. I may have this one artist where I'm my elder. I have to want to do a song with him. His name Highway. Live Seeds I saw. Yeah, you see him. He's my general to me. Dancehall music, me depending on happy lyrics, vibes lyrics, energy. You know? Right here, watch your style, big split, fully chip. You know, you're out of the box right there. So now you say, boy, you bong, sweet sitting where I say will make sense, you know. And the vibe song where we mash up one party. Everybody a jump.
People jumping to a Biggs freestyle. The 18-year-old ducking pressure from friends to put his music out there, but finally deciding to take the plunge.
Me, because I say I'm too fat to go up on camera, man, so I hide from them. But one day, I gaze, I was going to a party, so I go buy one pants. No, I lie, I go take in one pants. I buy pants already, and I go take it up. And I go to one party the night, and I gaze on the road, and them buck me in the chair, them buck me and grab me and say, boy, I can't do it. And I say, Jaja, and I have to do it. Anyway, then give me a rhythm and a vibe, and I sing same much style. Mix it with about 3 different songs.
What style, big split, fully chip, you know we rich.
And me just feel like I still want normal freestyle still, you know. I don't feel the power where world I feel. Because my song, I write that from 2020. You can show you on my phone right now. From 2020. November 11, 2020. You know? So, it's just a sing. But Guava, Prince Guava, I don't know if you know him, I'm not supposed to familiar with him. Prince Guava, he had me one side the day. And like him did feel the energy. And he must say, bro, you're boss, you know? Yeah, so dog, I want normal freestyle, bro, man. We see still. And the video drop, you were lovey. Anthony Miller come check me. As a juvenile from George's Valley, man. As a 18-year-old, the song didn't drop yet, Anthony, a greatness.
Company tool with the crown and the markets. 5 grand never get on I'm chocolate.
A couple days after, when I'm a brethren, and he sent me the video from TikTok in the morning where they 129K. But a body man bad me up, say, boy, you know, say a talent to that here and put the talent on me. I say, yeah, bro, that is it. Still not taking away, you know. Well, 2 or 3 days or 4. I don't want to tell no lie, but a couple days after I see the million. I say, no man, million and look up picking the number. You know, million, bro. No, look at you. Mezzo you see right I said now. Million. You need to pick a voice or song, you know. And then great steel chest now, sit down and reason with me, I marksman them. I'm bridging them, I tell them, say dog. Do it over, bro.
And that's what he's done to avoid any legal issues over ownership of the beat and to get out the track ASAP.
Hear music now. A lot of people might try to steal the work and then look away there. So me make sure say you know really I put out like make people hear a tune them before they in Japan and look away there, do me? Because their music where people want to hear right now. So people will try to copy your style and copy your thing. So just keep your thing upon a level where you know where you are there, do me?
You knew Marksman before you went viral?
Not personally, but I knew of him and he was a friend of my friend, so we were hearing of him. Here say a good youth, a dog man, no man.
So you met him when?
verified chopper video shoot personally. We met. Me and him text before that, but we met personally. Verified chopper video shoot. Just believe in our new generation, man. Remember good no man.
Man, I make money fast, chop no funds. Fat bim bim park up a gate front.
Then 17-year-old Biggs coming up with Watch His Style while hanging out with a friend.
I'm a fire some boy afi, yeah, gal afi. Watch his style, big split fully chipping on my rich.
The time I just start hide and bun weed. You know, mommy them no know, daddy them no know. But me that they house, I hide a bunny weed. So in the middle of the night, them asleep and my room connect to the back veranda, you know. And me have one bridging named Jerome. The first song me ever voice in my life is named Money Dream. And Jerome say he want to remix the song there. Me I say no bro, and the same rhythm you know. Me I say no bro, but me give you one different line man. So me just write the vibe when me I get off a film chorus. And the whole vibe when me I sit down and me I smoke and me I say yo this more I say watch his style big split fully.
Chipping on my rich, pass the brick, mama flinging pan a pretty little chick.
My community, George's Valley, you see it. One lane man, Sweden Street man, you see it. A few place man, Samakan man, you see it. Samakan man, that is it, you see it.
Now Biggs a name not only in Mandeville, but he's loving the respect from his hometown.
A Biggs that, and a Biggs that. Me as a brother call and me live here, and they know me. And me can't hide, brother, you go and like say no no Biggs.
Plus other benefits.
I love how me can clean every day and piece of money in my pocket and me can help mommy and daddy. You know?
Money in the pocket already?
I mean, I fly there while I fly already. Confidential. Just know I say Biggs are rich man. Money I make. I win. Wednesday. Tomorrow sir. Tomorrow we have a show down on the girl. And then the 23 again down the west. I call out some more of them.
Just like that, you drop some lyrics on the road one day and boom.
I wonder why. I mean, God probably show me fierce still, because my fierce, you know, in every type of way. I might never hungry, I got my bed because mommy and daddy make sure that. But I'm fierce.
So when your mother and father saw the video, what they said to you?
Man, bagger. You just say your boss, show me video. Yeah. Family, you never got happy. Daddy him there foot every day. I'm my road manager, man. I just want more money and I can drop a big dirty crown, man. You know? I make mommy alright. Believe.
And that's your priority, make mommy alright?
Make mommy alright and make your family proud of me. I make my dog them can yam KFC now, man.
Who is the first person you really want to meet in the music business?
Intense. Yeah, you see, me in a business what I want to say about the dog. You see him? Oh God, man, I'm a God that intense. I hope you see this too and know. Dog ever clean. The dog style different and he born one day after me. He might older than me, but he born one day after me. And him, me and him, I same thing. I don't know what people say. I'm in a business boy where they want to say, because the man don't know me from Adams, the man never do me nothing yet. Me never do the man nothing yet, so why me I go hate? You see, intense and him more than what I mean.
Has Jamaica seen anybody like you?
No, but then I get no Biggs yet, man. Biggs are different to you, man. Have to make you laugh too.
You're not pulling a bad man sort of.
Oh, for what? We not do. Oh God, Uncle Anthony, man. We not get trouble, man. We are good youth, you know. Just want everybody happy and proud that he work when me have to give them. Daddy sit down and say, Bridget, you're not alright. You're not alright, Bridget. You're good, man. You're not alright. I feel we look at Bridget too, you know, even when out with food. But he must say, Bridget, you're not alright, you're not alright. And I say, Daddy, you're good, Daddy. I used to show him some song I'm writing on my phone, you know. Time I say, Bridget, right now, man. I say, Daddy, they right already, man. I told me in a studio. You know? So we have them locked, funky, and we have them in a head back, because we are not idiot. And we have style, so we can build it on spot sometimes.
Spotlight on Biggs from Mandeville.
Me too, my style tough dog, just call it concrete. A clocks pan feet, 30 grand feet, straight on me hill figure. My gears them not cheap, your girl see the pre, I know she want cheat, and them why pre money.